bit is dependent on the role of mesa because you will lose control of something because of how challenging.
Yes, you're a real top professional control. But even if you remember in the old days, that's not allowed. You're not allowed to jump over to make a good shot. But because of the 9-ball boom, eventually nangyari niya na pinayaki.
Players really can find an opening for this 3-ball.
Akala mo magaling tira yan. I was lucky to put a lot of speed to be able to hit that.
Uy!
Half
Sumablay sa 8. Ayan. 8-5. 8-5 guys. 8-5. Isang tira lang kakasagad ng
Wow, what a shot.
I could feel it.
sumablay. Basta 8 sa'yo.
I believe 8.
Score 8-5 guys. 8-5 lamang si Awit.
Nobody is good.
Simpleng tira.
We have covered half the games.
Sumablay.
Perfect.
Mintis talaga.
8-5 score. 5-8-5.
Really strong, but you can get it.
Lamang si Awit. 8-5.
Hindi na kailangan masyadong pagkalawin mo kung ano. That's why it's called the hammer. Ganun ang pass.
Pakasimpleng 8.
Fitness naman ngayon. Para dyan lang yung cue ball. Tapos na 7. Ito daw kailangan pag-withdraw.
Yeah. Kasi kailangan patrasin. Patama sa banda. Good calculation. It's perfect. But it is spin perfect. Still a problem with the 9 preparation. Good. Once again, the same pattern. Just right.
Couple of inches short of it would have been a problem daw. Pero ngayon,
Or a little more.
kasi masyado magiging twist sa rack 6.
4 to
Rack 6 for Hammerman. Ako, pagpapatuloy na natin uling laban. Anyway, this is our final episode of your Motivated Billiard League Season 3. Our founder, Edwin Gamador, thanking our sponsors for our 3rd season at Q-Hub Billiard Sports Bar and Lounge, Negra HDR, our Bodega Sale, PBA Motors, Your Homes, Incorporated, MB Shoes and Apparel, JT's Filipino Cuisine, Emerzone Sports Lounge, CCE, Mulak and Saibada, Kenta Kugaku Food Truck, Best Cost Digital Marketing, Eastprint Clothing, Red Rock Collectibles, and JP Sports TV.
8-5 score. 8-5. Hindi 7-6.
8-5 na, 8-5
Sana
na.
kayo yung score.
8-5 na mga idol. 7-6 na sa akin.
Real first kick.
Dami yung sinablay.
Bounce of English, Rabbi Harman. Hindi ko ano yung mga didiskarte dito.
Yan ang pinasing. 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Yan.
Selective ako na ipasok.
Bola.
So ball in hand. Will Hammerman be looking at that 3-9? More balls remaining. TV reading. Play it straight up.
Marunong sa bando eh. Hindi marunong sa bando.
Little too strong on the 5.
Ay, mag-isip naman yan eh.
Yung kanyang nalandingan in preparation for that morning.
Marunong ko sa bando yan eh. Marunong. Ball 3.
What he could do there, just distance. Wala yung clip 1. Ano preparasyon, 3 to 5. Oh, out of pocket. And a shot mula dito kay RDR. But he has an equally tough 7 ball to work with here.
Order pa yun.
Counter po.
This one grounds out.
Todas. Scratch. Foul 1.
Good shot for Hammerman. Balik sa kanya. Right here with another long shot. He has shown his mastery
Oh,
of these types of
sobrang.
pops.
Soblay sa dos.
Beat. Nagpapatawad. Pockets natin. Confident. Give up the shots. Hindi gusto madali.
Si JB naman ay tinatrash talk. 9-5 guys.
9-5, warning na.
Warning na ang awit gamer. 9-5 guys. Lamang ng apat si awit. Race 11 lang yan guys. Race 11.
If they're missing, hindi naman na iniiwan.
JB Sukal. Laglag ang laban.
This is certainly
Ulang pa sa practice.
fakeable now for RDR.
Perfect. Bumbasok ang pato.
Placing yun.
Might be his best opportunity to finally pocket the 7. Hindi patatag ng 7, ay mahulog pa.
Panglumpo. Panglumpo. Dan.
Where is this cue ball going? RDR not inside the pocket.
ito, makabuli ko ako.
corner of that pocket.
Open, yung pa.
Man, can he clean up? Get down.
Hindi niya nakita.
There.
Hindi niya nakita siguro na makabuli. Hindi gigil eh. Hindi gigil yun.
Lakbay, like, lakas yung ginagawa niya, bay eh. Ay, dito, dapat medyo may...
Number 7.
Ang bayo mo sa kulitong po.
Ang kanyang kalaban, 5 racks to go against RDR.
Masakit doon eh, iwanan pa sa bukas.
Ha?
Naiiwanan pa sa bukas. Sabi ng mga nila. Ang dali-dali na play.
Puro pa kasi, ayaw mag-practice sa maayos. Ang mga laban,
Si Hammerman, pero si RDR, ay parang makakabol sa yung mananalo sa kanilang
ito yung laki niya.
in
Bata
our
pa ng malakas. Dapat ko lang na hindi na
motivated Major League Season 1. Ito, seryoso na daw.
Hindi na pwede labanan ng pangit. Kasi kung tumalong ka, iwan sa akin. Dalawang beses nga siya, 5 tsaka 8. 5-8, tutok ka na dyan. Ano ba nangyari sa'yo?
6 down.
Tawa lang.
That's the whole of it. Nice one.
Ako local naman yun.
By Hammerman.
Huling.
Cinco lang siguro kung saan bakit.
Well, you have to go down to the 4 first. Yan gusto niya eh. Pero kaso hindi tumataw.
Bye.
Uy, gagi na tawa.
Wala naman po.
Nananatan niya.
Ano ba sakto nakatalo pa ang dalawa?
Ano siya?
Ano ba po?
For the side pocket.
No, 4 na sa
Yeah, for the side
Medyo
pocket.
ko na kayo binabas yun. Puro na guys, puro na. Puro na. Sagot.
RDR.
to get back.
Puro na guys.
Ano naman na?
Puro na.
Pwede
Puro na ang awit gamer.
the type of player who can get out.
10-5. Oh, that's guys.
Or Carol, for that matter. Mas madali.
Nakari na sa Brilliant pa ng partida. Tamas ko. Ay, 10.
Good control for RDR. It is right there. But you want some angle.
That's right.
Force that pump up. Snap. He might have to go side pocket. And then over there.
Pusin na ni out yan. Break yan,
Six
tingnan mo.
inches south and it would have been perfect.
Break yan. Kasi ka tayo sa Jameson.
Decisions. RDR.
Hindi ito, wala akong ganito. Jeb! Ang better na Malay mo. May ano tawag na ano?
6-0
hardware.
lang. Hardware.
Hardware.
Kaya tuloy yung speaking. Hindi mo tapos ang kumain na.
You leave it right there. Kasi tayo ko yung mga if you were
Ano rin eh, nag-chat. Hindi naman TV.
Shoot ang pato. Ako puro scratch yun. Dalawang beses.
Up na lang, we have our man. And now, he has another beating 6 racks to 2.
On the hit. On the hit. At saka breaking game. But like you said, kaya nga nakaka-string up victories dito. Kasi this is Naalala niya eh. Naalala niya.
Tagal niya pinaghandaan yung ganti eh, no? Lumampas yung isang season na hindi ka nag-
Oh, so, blessing lang pumasok.
Sakto naman ah.
Ay, bless na rin naman yun.
I had a nice chat with Hammer earlier.
Oo, ang trip po.
Okay na talaga. Kala ko di diretso yung 9.
Si Rick Kagan dito siya, no? Pagkakataon dito siya. You know, masabi mo kanina, you can swing up with this is really great.
Yeah, yeah.
Kung alternate yan, mayroon ka
Yeah, that's correct.
na
Yeah. Wala lang kasi kung pwede na sa amin kung kombinasyon 2-9. But have to play the long game here for RTR.
May hardware na tinatawag.
And he has the disposition to play that kind of a game.
Kalma lang.
Dalawang pool niya rin na.
Take it shot by shot. I think that you scored. Naka-report ang nasa once again, wag lang. Balik lang yung stroke. Piazza. Pagkatapos lang may touch on the two.
Patay ka.
Bayad. Nice tayo guys.
Ayun guys, tapos ang laban.
Ano ko nagbabayad?
11-5.
Gapan pa rin.
Natapos ang laban.
Gaban pa rin.
Tapos ang JB sa awit. Ang gamer win. Congrats sa awit.